Every trip starts with some anticipation, and since we were awaiting our flight very early in the morning, sadly we didn't record anything. Instead, you can admire these beautiful shots from our bus ride. Our plan was simple: experience Barcelona vibes as much as possible in just 3 days. We came to a conclusion that the best way to do it is to explore the streets by traveling on foot, and this is what gave me the opportunity to dive into street photography. Our first target was FC Barcelona Stadium. There is no shots from the stadium either, but at least you can enjoy an orange tree. The next stop was probably the most famous place in Barcelona, which is Sagrada Familia, and by the way, I'm wondering if they are going to finish the construction someday. Let me know in the comments. That's the place when it all started. I've noticed that there are many interesting people who can potentially be great for photos. Of course, all the street artists went first. After a while, we met a guy painting in his journal who was so focused on his art that he didn't mind his surroundings. With more and more photos, I realized that people don't care when someone is pointing a camera in their direction, as if it was totally normal, nothing extraordinary about it. And so I thought, there is nothing to be afraid of, you have to grab your camera and do your thing. For example, that's how this photo came to be. I've been thinking, this triumphal arc is pretty cool.
But I'm here for you. I know it took some time. We all get lost in this. It's a game we play. I see you tall, and we're getting on. There's always a choice. So please hear this. I wanna save you.
Then we visited the most popular market in Barcelona, which of course is La Boqueria. We saw a huge amount of great foods, fruits, veggies, and of course we couldn't withhold from buying one amazing thing, or two, or more. There was no other way than eat them sitting on the sidewalk. It was nice, you should try it. We started the next day with the cool breakfast, which was empanadas and strawberries. And here you can see the great view from our hotel window. Our plan for the second day was to climb a little hill because we've heard that you can take some cool photos there. As we walked more and more kilometers, we've noticed that Barcelona seems to be a city of constant chill when no one is in a hurry. For example, we can take these older guys who spent all morning playing cards in the park. We were heading towards the bunkers at the Barcelonas Hill because we wanted to take one particular photo there, literally at the edge. It was so sunny that halfway through we had to take a break, of course a break to take another photo. And here's one interesting thing. Some have mountain goats, and Barcelona has a mountain cat. From the top of the bunkers, we could see whole Barcelona city. There were many people, but we've managed to find our spot, and we got it. I've also got a spot to take a photo of my sneakers. We've chilled there for a little while, and then we headed down the hill. This way was way easier.
Nagram, jak podziwiasz kwiaty.
Tutaj jest mój ogród. Zona monitorowana, tak ładna. Going down, we met a new friend. We named him Pedro. Pedro was soaking up the sun, and when he saw us, he demanded that we pet him. Then we headed to the beach, which was a little far for our feet, so we had to take a bus.
I know it took some time. We all get lost in this. It's a game we play. I see it all. And we're
The last place we visited was the Museum of Modern Art, and here I didn't take many shots. The skaters chose God knows why this exact location. There were at least 100 people. Everyone was chilling on the stone walls, skateboarding, and what's interesting is that I'm sure in Poland the police would kick them all out. At the end we had to wake up super early in the morning, but at least we were able to enjoy a beautiful sunrise at the airport. Summing up, we did almost 70 kilometers on foot, but it was worth it. See you soon, Barcelona.